Guys, just got my yarn box in. This is for March 2016 and this is the sock box. So let's see what we've got in here. Alright. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, let's see what we got. 390 yards. The name is Sunset. It's 8% superwash merino, 20% nylon, hand wash cold dry flat. And this is from YarnEnabler.com. That is a cute name for a website. Hand dyed wool. This is so pretty. Okay, let's see what it says. Piece of cake. This month you received a special treat from Yarn Enabler. Your hand painted fiber fingering wool has been dyed in double gradient, meaning both ends mirror each other. When knitted, you pull from the center as well from around the cake to make near matching pair of socks with 80% merino wool, 20% nylon. You'll love stitching every inch. And it gives you some information about the pattern and who done the pattern for this month. This is so cool. So for the needle knitters who like to knit both socks at the same time, you can actually use your center pull and the pull from the outside to do that. For me, since I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to make with it, I'm not going to go by the pattern I got, which I'd already checked it out and it's really super cute. What I will do is set up my my spooler, and I will just measure out half of the yardage, and I'll end up making two cakes so that I'll have both. That will be near matches because it'll be in the middle of this blue that will stop. And then with a yarn like this, basically what I'll be doing is doing a toe up sock, and then just wherever I'm at when I get to the end on the cuff will be it for the sock. I'm really excited about this yarn. I love bright, vibrant colors, and I love the hand-dyed aspect, which I believe most of the yarn I get from these different subscription boxes are hand-dyed. But this is just so beautiful. I cannot wait to get started with it. Alright, that's all I really have to say about this. Super awesome yarn. Really love it, and I'm very excited to get started with it. And as you can see, it is a fingering weight yarn, which would be size 3, I believe. I get some of those confused still. I do my best though. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, or you can email me. My email is in a direct link, is in the description below as well. If you like YarnBox, you want to subscribe for yourself, there's a link in the description for that too. I think it's a great value, and so far I've loved all the yarn that I've gotten from this company. Although it is just yarn, they do have larger packages where you can get other things with it, so that's other option you can check out on their website. Again, thank you for watching.